Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your Amazon Prime or your Prime Video account. Amazon Prime is a video subscription service which provides movies and TV shows to watch. To create your account of Amazon Prime, you just open up primevideo.com. Once you do, you'll land on its official website. Now just click on the Start Your Free Trial option. You don't need to pay first, you can just try out Amazon Prime and see how you like it. Now the Prime Video does not need a separate account. If you have an account of Amazon, you can just type in your details and then just click on sign in. But if you don't have an account of Amazon, you can click on create your Amazon account and fill in these details. Type in your name, your email address, and create a password which is at least 6 characters long. And then again re-enter your password. Make sure that both of these passwords match and then just click on create your Amazon account. Complete this verification puzzle. The next step is you'll need to verify your email. So just open up the email that you've just added. A OTP will be sent to your email address. You will need to just enter in the code and click on verify. Now the last thing you need to do is enter in your phone number. So select your country code, type in your phone number and then click on add mobile number. Once you type in your phone number, you'll land on this page where you'll just need to enter in your card details. And you'll get the free trial of Amazon Prime for 7 days. You can cancel the subscription within 7 days and you won't get charged for that. So if you don't like it, you can always cancel it. And once you add in your card, your subscription will start. So that was a video on how to create an account of Amazon Prime. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.